Welcome to AI Tech. Today, we're exploring 10 jobs that AI can potentially replace in the future. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, its capabilities are expanding, leading to significant impacts on the job market. 1. Data entry clerks. AI-powered software can process and input data much faster and more accurately than humans. Automated data entry systems reduce errors and increase efficiency, making manual data entry roles increasingly obsolete. 2. Telemarketers. AI chatbots and automated calling systems can handle telemarketing tasks more effectively, reaching out to customers, handling inquiries, and even closing sales without human intervention. 3. Customer service representatives. AI chatbots and virtual assistants are already handling a large volume of customer service queries. They provide instant responses and can handle multiple interactions simultaneously, reducing the need for human customer service agents. 4. Retail cashiers. With the rise of automated checkout systems and AI-driven retail technologies, the need for human cashiers is diminishing. Self-checkout kiosks and automated payment systems streamline the shopping experience and reduce labor costs. 5. Manufacturing workers. Robots and AI systems are transforming the manufacturing industry by performing repetitive tasks with precision and consistency. From assembly lines to quality control, AI is enhancing productivity and reducing the need for human labor in factories. 6. Delivery drivers. Autonomous vehicles and drones are poised to revolutionize. Are investing heavily in self-driving technology, which could replace human drivers for delivering goods and packages. 7. Bookkeepers and accountants. AI-powered accounting software can handle tasks such as bookkeeping, tax preparation, and financial analysis. These systems can process large volumes of financial data quickly and accurately, reducing the need for human accountants. 8. Paralegals and legal assistants. AI can perform legal research, document review, and contract analysis, tasks traditionally done by paralegals. AI systems can quickly sift through vast amounts of legal data, providing relevant information and insights. 9. Medical transcriptionists. AI voice recognition technology can transcribe medical records more efficiently than humans. This technology ensures accuracy and allows healthcare professionals to focus more on patient care rather than administrative tasks. 10. Warehouse workers. AI-powered robots are increasingly being used in warehouses for sorting, packing, and transporting goods. Essential to understand its impact on the job market and prepare for the changes it brings. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to AI Tech for more discussions on the latest in artificial intelligence and technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see. Warehouse workers. AI-powered robots are increasingly being used in warehouses for sorting, packing, and transporting goods. These robots enhance efficiency and accuracy, reducing the reliance on human labor in warehouse operations. That wraps up our list of 10 jobs that AI can potentially replace in the future. As AI technology continues to advance, it's a see you in the next video.